This is a video to show a couple really cool patterns. So in this particular case, it's sort of an X on every side, kind of a cool checkerboard, multicolored cross look. And so here's how you're going to make that. You always have to start with a completed cube. And we're going to start by doing the following move. Right twice, left twice, top twice, bottom twice, front twice, back twice. And there you go. 2 cubes that match. How awesome is that? Next move I'm going to show you is how to do O on every side. So you got your cube. It's going to look like this. Start again with a completed cube and do the following. Right, left counterclockwise, top clockwise, bottom counterclockwise, front counterclockwise, back clockwise, right clockwise, and left counterclockwise. And there you go. How cool. Thanks.